There will be chaos in the marketplace because as a disruptor and as a first company to scale on solid-state batteries, the traditional manufacturers are not going to feel good about it. So we will experience turbulence because there's going to be companies that invested $65 billion into building traditional lithium technologies that are going to feel extremely threatened. But from our perspective, it's not about the competition because we know we're far superior. It's about taking care of the energy needs of every home in America. The technology is so powerful that not only can we electrify every home in America with solid-state batteries, we can tweak the chemistry. It's basically a classic case of planes, trains, automobiles, motorcycles, boats, helicopters. Depending on how we tweak the technology, we can basically bring the Jetsons age here today. So what you're seeing today is the first application in our product line. It's the residential units, everything from 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 kilowatt hour units. And then we have the light commercial units, everything from 60, 120, 180 kilowatt to commercial, which is 150, 310, 470 kilowatt hours. And then what I call big daddies and big mamas for us, which is the 1.5 megawatt, 2 megawatt, 3 megawatt, and 4 megawatt units that can be applied to large energy projects. So our first entry into the marketplace with solid-state batteries is the stationary market. It's a trillions of dollars market. Because of the way we productize the technology, we'll be able to deliver the value at the lowest cost possible. In fact, I'm proud to announce that we can finance it with the solar. So your solar you can finance over 25 years, and now you can finance our technology over 25 years. So basically, whether you're middle class or rich, you can afford to have our technology in your home. There is no excuse. And whether you believe in climate change or not, I surely hope you believe in energy. My background is mechanical engineering. My favorite field was thermodynamics. And so energy has always been in my heart and my soul. Whether you believe in climate change or not does not matter to me. What matters to me is that every household has energy when it really needs it the most. And I can assure you that when Snowmageddon happened, I sure wish I had a couple of our batteries. Just to give you an example, if 30% of the Texas homes had our batteries, there wouldn't have been Snowmageddon. And so from that perspective, when you look at the value proposition of what we offer energy independence, we offer the capability of a technology lasting for 25 years, which is a game changer. Our technology has already been said so many times, but I'll regurgitate it too. Non-toxic, non-flammable, non-explosive, works underwater. You don't have to worry about it blowing up on you like you have current lithium batteries. You know, if we put it into a car, don't worry, you crash that car, it won't blow up on you. And so from that perspective, this is a game changer type of technology. And the most wonderful part that I feel about it is that when you put that solar panel on your roof, you can rest assured that the storage will last with the same amount of years. And if not same amount of years, I can assure you it'll last a lot longer than your solar panels. Most batteries cannot last in extreme temperatures. Amptricity battery can do that. So this is not only a game changer from a perspective of regulating the utilities, making things go twice as far, but it's also a game changer from a perspective of managing how we use energy, how we produce energy, how we control energy, but now we give it another dimension, the ability for each home to control their energy independence, and that's what we're all about.